Are your knees bothering you? Many people have discomfort in their joints, knees, elbows, and hands, but they believe it is due to age. Do you agree? This cinnamon, pineapple, and orange juice is a highly effective natural cure for treating and reducing knee and joint pain if you have this condition. Pineapple and orange contain vitamin C, which is important for bone health. Bromelain, an anti-inflammatory that helps with joint problems, is abundant in pineapple. Cinnamon improves blood flow throughout the body, while orange juice strengthens ligaments and tendons. You'll need 2 small cups of sliced pineapple, 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water, 1 glass of orange juice, and 1 cinnamon stick. Honey, raw and natural. Add the water and rolled oats to a pan and let them cook for a few minutes. Allow the oat to cool once it has been cooked. In a blender, combine the oats, orange juice, cinnamon, pineapple, and honey. Mix everything together, and if the juice is too thick, add more water. It is suggested that you consume the juice on a regular basis for best benefits. You should notice a significant improvement in your knee and joint symptoms within 5 days. So, how did this recipe turn out for you?